Charlie, you're so brave. What are we doing? Yeah, well, it's like a ball, but it's a rock. Good throw. What you doing, Ave? Whoa. It is June 9th, I believe. We are at Leroy Oaks Forest Preserve on a little bit of a nature walk. They're looking for frogs over there, I think. Charlie's content to just throw rocks in the river all day. Whoa! Big splash, Charlie. Yeah, Charlie, can you say rock? Can you say rock? Avery, can you say hi for the camera?
Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, I got a stick.
I see your stick.
Whoa.
You looking for animal tracks?
Whoa.
Yeah, that's not going there. There's a...
Big rock, Charlie. Woo!